Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we'll be looking at a professional sample hotel cleaner job application letter. Before we dive into the letter itself, let's first talk about what this type of letter actually is. A hotel cleaner job application letter is a formal letter that you write when applying for a housekeeping or cleaning position at a hotel. The goal of this letter is to show the employer that you are reliable, hardworking, and detail-oriented. Because in this kind of job, cleanliness and consistency are everything. You want to demonstrate that you can handle the responsibilities of maintaining guest rooms, common areas, and facilities in a way that reflects the hotel's high standards. Now that we understand the definition, let's go through our professional sample letter step by step. I'll break down each part for you so you can easily use this as a guide when writing your own. The first section of the letter is the contact information. At the very top, we see the applicant's details. Maria L. Hernandez, 1047 Greenview Avenue, Orlando, Florida, 32805, 407-555-2847, maria.hernandez@email.com. This part is very straightforward, but also very important. Always begin your letter with your full name, your complete address, your phone number, and a professional email address. This tells the employer exactly who you are and how they can reach you. Notice here that the email address is professional, just the applicant's name. That's something you should always aim for, instead of using nicknames or casual emails. Next, we have the date. In this sample, the date is written as August 30th, 2025. Including the date is essential in a business letter. It helps keep records organized, especially for employers who receive multiple applications. Always write out the full date, month, day, and year, because it looks more professional than just numbers. Now we move on to the recipient's details, which show exactly who the letter is addressed to. Mr. Stephen Parker, Human Resources Manager, Sunshine Grand Hotel, 2290 Oceanfront Drive, Miami, Florida, 33140. This section is where you show that your letter is personalized. Always do your best to find the name and job title of the person who will be reviewing your application. In this case, it's the Human Resources Manager, Mr. Stephen Parker. This small detail makes a big difference because it shows that you've done your research and that your letter isn't just a copy and paste application. Following that, we include the subject line. Subject: Application for hotel cleaner position. Adding a subject line is very helpful because it tells the employer right away what your letter is about. Keep it short and clear. State the position you're applying for. Here, it's the hotel cleaner position. Now we come to one of the most important parts of the letter, the salutation. In this case, it says, "Dear Mr. Parker." The salutation is how you greet the person you're writing to. Always use "dear" followed by their last name and a comma. This keeps it formal and professional. Avoid casual greetings like "hi" or "hello," because this is an official job application. If you don't know the person's name, you can use "Dear Hiring Manager." But whenever possible, try to find the actual name. That adds a personal touch. Now let's move into the first paragraph of the body. It reads, "I am writing to express my interest in the hotel cleaner position at Sunshine Grand Hotel, as advertised on your careers page. With over 3 years of experience in housekeeping and a strong commitment to maintaining a clean and welcoming environment for guests, I'm confident that I can contribute positively to your hotel's high standards of service." This opening paragraph sets the tone. Notice how the applicant starts by clearly stating the position she is applying for, hotel cleaner at Sunshine Grand Hotel. Always do this so the employer knows exactly what role you're interested in. Then, she quickly moves into her experience. Over 3 years in housekeeping. This is smart because it shows she's not a beginner. She has real experience. She also adds a personal quality, her commitment to maintaining a clean and welcoming environment. That shows both skill and attitude, which are equally important in this type of job. Finally, she ties it all together by saying she can contribute positively to the hotel's high standards. This is a polite and confident way to show she respects the company's reputation and wants to add value. Next, we have the second paragraph of the body. In my previous role at Orlando City Inn, I was responsible for cleaning and preparing more than 15 guest rooms daily, ensuring that all areas met health and safety regulations. I'm highly skilled in using professional cleaning equipment, handling laundry services, and maintaining common areas to the highest level of cleanliness. My supervisors consistently praised my attention to detail, reliability, and efficiency. This paragraph focuses on specific experience and skills. Notice how the applicant gives numbers: more than 15 guest rooms daily. Whenever possible, you should include numbers or measurable achievements in your application. It makes your work sound more concrete and impressive. She also lists important skills: using cleaning equipment, managing laundry, and keeping common areas spotless. These are exactly the kind of tasks hotel managers want to know you can handle. And she finishes with something very powerful. She mentions that her supervisors praised her for attention to detail, reliability, and efficiency. That shows she not only did her job, but she did it well and earned recognition. Now let's move to the third paragraph of the body. What attracts me to Sunshine Grand Hotel is your reputation for exceptional guest experiences. I take pride in creating comfortable, spotless spaces that allow guests to fully enjoy their stay. I believe my work ethic, dedication, and experience make me a strong candidate for your housekeeping team. This is where the applicant explains why she's interested in this hotel, not just any hotel. Employers really appreciate it when you show that you've done your research and that you want to work for them specifically. Here, she mentions the hotel's reputation for exceptional guest experiences, which is a great way to compliment the company. She then makes it personal by saying she takes pride in creating spotless spaces for guests. That shows passion and motivation, not just routine work. Finally, she confidently states that her work ethic and dedication make her a strong candidate. Notice the balance here. It's confident but not arrogant. Now we reach the final paragraph of the body. I would greatly appreciate the opportunity to discuss my application further and demonstrate how my skills can contribute to maintaining the Sunshine Grand Hotel's outstanding reputation. Thank you for your time and consideration. This is a polite closing paragraph. Here, the applicant is asking for the opportunity to discuss her application further, which is another way of saying she's interested in an interview. Always include this in your closing. It shows that you're eager to move forward, but still respectful. She also thanks the employer for their time and consideration. Ending on gratitude always leaves a positive impression. Finally, we have the closing and signature. Sincerely, Maria L. Hernandez. The word sincerely is the standard closing for a formal business letter. Keep it professional. Don't use casual closings like best or cheers. Then, type your full name. If you're sending a printed copy, you would also sign above your typed name. And that's the complete breakdown of this professional sample hotel cleaner job application letter. To recap, we started with the applicant's contact information, then the date, followed by the recipient's details. We added a subject line, the salutation, and then moved into the body paragraphs where the applicant showed her interest, experience, skills, and enthusiasm for the role. Finally, we wrapped up with a polite closing and signature. If you follow this structure, you'll have a strong, professional job application letter that gives you a better chance of being noticed by employers. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step narration helps you feel more confident when writing your own hotel cleaner job application letter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to writing tutorials for more guides just like this.